broken.
I'll get it. I think the package has arrived.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, really? Sparky, we had a power cut or something. Sparky! For Christ's sake. Oh, for God's sake.
So easy to wind up.
Why do I fall for every damn time?
Guess what? The box has arrived. That's the main camera then, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Today is a very special day because it is our first official collaboration.
Which is called the Unboxing Project. And we have the box right here. It's not gold dust, isn't it? It's like made of gold.
Made of gold! You're probably wondering, like, what is the unboxing challenge? Well, a guy called Jeremy Wright was the guy who started this. So we're going to let him explain it to you. So take it away, Jeremy.
I want to create the largest, most ambitious and ridiculous YouTube collaboration ever. How can I do that? How can I make that possible? So I came up with an idea. It's called the Unboxing Project. The idea is pretty simple. We're going to get a list of YouTubers. We're going to send this box to them and they're going to unbox the box. They're going to upload a video to a Dropbox site that I have as well as their YouTube channel. They're going to send it to another person. That person's going to do an unboxing video and so on and so forth. I'm going to put an item in here for the next YouTuber, a small gift, something to send to them. And then also an item that's going to stay in the box as well as like a letter or a sticker and some other stuff too. Just, you know, some information about the project inside the box. When they get the box, they get to keep the gift. It'll be clearly labeled which one is for them and which one is to stay in the box. They're going to keep the gift and then they're going to put in their own gift and their own item to stay in the box to send to the next person. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Let's make this a success. Remember, hashtag the unboxing project. Thanks for checking this out, guys. Let's do something awesome.
This box is going to travel all around the world, right? And we're literally number 2 in the chain. And have to say, it looks like it's a bit worse for wear, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's slightly battered already.
It's all ripped as well, so.
We have a camera up here, so you can see us unboxing it for the first time. Look at that camera there. Can you see it?
Got one there, yeah, one there, and one there. As creators, we always want to collaborate with other filmmakers and other independent creators.
It's just really good, isn't it, to be part of a community? And what better way to be part of a community than to be involved in
a worldwide collaboration?
Yeah.
Just want to mention as well, if you guys want to get involved, just let us know and you'll be put on the list. We don't actually know who this is going to be sent to next yet. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
Could be anyone.
So now Jeremy's explained what the unboxing project is. It's time to
It's time.
unbox it. Right, so
Oh my god,
look
man.
at this. It's got
Salento, is that?
some stickers on. Salt Lake City. You know, whenever I hear or see anyone talk about Salt Lake City, I think, do you know what? I'd love to be there. But this award
Anywhere
actually. So we're in the UK in Birmingham. Birmingham, as you can tell from my awful accent. This has come all the way from Italy, from a guy called Alessandro.
It's come from Alessandro.
Yeah, this has travelled all the way from America and Italy, and now it's here in the UK. So,
Right. So. Oh my god. Oh, something's sticking out. Something's sticking out. What's this?
Frizzell.
Frizz.
Oh, it's like a rusk bread. Wow.
Oh, is that what they?
Yeah.
Ooh. Do you know what?
Yeah.
I think I might have had this when I went to Barcelona.
Thank you.
So, about 5 to
Yeah,
6
definitely.
inches in diameter, go to by many different names. Frizzell, Frizzedra, or Rusk.
showing that-
We just call it Rusk,
Yeah,
shall we?
we're showing the fact that we're English now. The fact that we
Rusk.
can't pronounce it. Is it Frizzell?
Frizzedra.
Frizzy?
And they resemble
Frizzell.
dried, hardened bagel halves, but they are originally a speciality from the south of Italy, Puglia to be precise, and the Salento area of the Puglia region. I don't know if I'm saying any of these words right.
Lovely. I'm sure you're going to love these. You try preparing a couple and eating them during the video. I wonder if you could put avocado on there. Probably not normal, but...
Probably not normal, I like that. Avocado, tomatoes.
Olive, salt, pepper. We'll have a look. We'll see what we can do. Don't know what we've actually got in today, so...
it might be-
we'll try and keep up with your Italian standards, but we are from England and...
We're common.
Yeah, well, as you know, the food here isn't the greatest. So we're about to try the frise now. We don't really like olive, so we're gonna have to put a bit of a twist on it. So we've used a bit of avocado, so it's slightly different to probably what normal Italian people eat, but nonetheless, we think it's gonna be good. These are a little bit of a twist, a bit of avocado in there.
I thought it was going to be really hard, but they're quite soft. With a little bit of crunch. But yeah, this is amazing. Thank you. Oh my god, what's this? This is so nerve-wracking. Candle, maybe?
Ooh.
Oh gosh,
It's a lens ball. It's a lens ball.
is that your lens ball?
Yeah.
Ooh, look. Oh, that looks really cool. Look at that. Oh wow. I'm actually a bit shocked.
Have we?
Look how pretty that looks. Oh, take it to Portugal.
A lens ball.
Oh man, that's. I wish you'd go out later and get some shots with it. Oh, do you know what? I've actually never used one of these before, ever. Pretty images! You watch, this will be the one that we can't keep. This will go.
This will be the one that has to stay in the box.
No. Freezer bread.
Oh, getting better.
Freezer bread.
Let's have a look what the next one is.
What's the next one? Tambourine!
Is it tambourine?
Yeah, I think it's tambourine.
Well, it's like
It is a tambourine, it's not another name for it, or is it?
Wow.
What dance I'm doing?
I love the fact that it's got like a little spider on as well. Oh, I actually really like these gifts. I think, do you know what's going to be really, really difficult?
To top it, like.
To top it.
Yeah, this is.
It's almost like,
you
you
set
know.
the standard quite high actually, so don't. Oh, it says what's this drum? So it's drum. Okay, right.
How do you pronounce that?
Pizzica.
Pizzica.
Pizzica Taranto in the Apulia region and in the Salento area. How's that?
Yes.
Is that good? I'm just gonna wave it. Just want to do that. I wonder if it. Oh.
The drum represents, is that Apulian traditions and brings good luck in the house where it's played. Definitely keep
Play
it
it all
in
the
mind.
time. Play it all the time.
So I'll have this then.
Yeah, well, I'll have the lens ball.
No, I'll have the lens ball. And this. Oh, God!
This is supposed to bring good luck, but the camera's just stopped recording. Sparky just knocked over a glass of water. I'm just gonna keep playing this so that it brings more good luck. Come on, good luck. This is from Jeremy Wright, the first creator. Welcome to the unboxing project.
Creator.
Oh yeah, the only
The
creator.
first creator.
Number one, technically number one, was zero. Welcome to the unboxing project. It is hopefully going to be the world's largest YouTube collaboration. If you receive this box, thank you for your participation and support. Please tweet me your video of opening the box at IT Outlaw. I look forward to seeing what you create. This card stays in the box, so put this back in the box.
Yeah. Dear Sparky and Eliza, thanks for taking part in this crazy project. In the box you will find a Taranta, a pack of Frieze, if I'm saying that.
Freezer, I think.
Freezer.
Freezer.
And a lens ball.
Yay!
You get to keep all the goods in the box!
Yeah! Brilliant! So I'll have that.
No.
That.
We're going to have a very hard time splitting this. No.
Cut everything in half.
That is nice.
Cut a Taranta in half and cut. I'll just
don't forget we are doing this for fun. Look forward to seeing your video, Alessandro.
Yeah!
Hashtag the unboxing project.
Hashtag the unboxing project.
Well, we've got to say, Alessandro, you have really set
the
standards
standards
high for our next person. It's really been fun doing this. We've loved every minute of it. We're really nervous when we're opening the box. The feeling that you get is like, oh my God, what's going to be in there? What's my face going to look like? The gifts that we've got are absolutely amazing, and we can't wait to put them all to use.
Yeah,
and
we can.
Eat them.
Yeah.
Definitely put them all to use. Always nice having some Italian food. You can't go wrong with Italian food. It's just so nice.
To be fair, it's true.
Italians know how to make food. If you are interested in getting involved in the unboxing project, we'll link all the details below of who to contact, and we're going to have a very tough time thinking about who we're going to send it to next and what we're going to be able to give them.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Who's going to have the next one?
We'll see. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed seeing us unbox this amazing stuff, and we're sure to see you again next time.
Woo! Hey guys, we just want to say really quickly, we've linked Jeremy's and Alessandro's channel below. If you get a chance, check out their videos, their unboxing videos, and subscribe to their channel.